Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a market recap for Monday 5th May of EURUSD. So let's get started. As for this week, I want price to dig deep in this weekly fair value gap and then start moving towards the upside for this monthly order block and this recent swing high. On daily, the candle started. This is our Monday's candle. The candle started, went up in this fair value gap, daily fair value gap, and showed rejection and closed lower. Let's hop on to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour fair value gap got filled. As my bias is to go down in this weekly fair value gap and then start towards the upside. So until we reach in this fair value gap, my bias is to go short. I'm gonna look only at short trades. So on 15-minute, let's see how the day started. In the Asian range was only price was going to the upside, tapped in this daily fair value gap and formed a high. Just before London, this high was taken only by a few pips. This high was taken. So if you wanted, there was a trade that formed, but I would not take that. It was not as clean as I wanted to be. On 5-minute, the price took this high of Asian range and this was the change of character. This swing low was taken by this candle and it formed a fair value gap which was tapped here. So could have taken this trade. Putting my stop loss above this body. Could have targeted this low, Asian low, 2.6 hour trade, but this was not a trade I would take, so I ignored it. And then again forming a low in London, price started moving towards the upside, filled this FVG, 1 hour FVG, which was also on 15-minute. See, 15-minute also had the same FVG. M15. Price went up, formed a high in New York, rejected from this 15-minute green candle. This was actually an order block, the last green candle before the down move, which is an order block. So price tapped into that, started moving towards the downside, but there was no trade as for today. On 1 hour, price went lower, gave a change of character over here. So remove this. We have this fair value gap which is tapped right now. We also have this fair value gap, but I don't think price will go up to this one. So on Tuesday, price might start moving towards the downside, taking these lows. These are relative equal lows. All these lows are relative equal lows. And we also have these lows, this low and this low. These are relative equal lows. Price will also take these lows. So as for Monday, I did not see any good setup, and as ICT says, ignore Mondays. They will hunt your stop loss always. So that was it for today. No particular trade. This one which I saw in London but was not as good as, it was not good, not meant to be taken. So Let's check DXY also. DXY was good today. Let me show you how. Oh, sorry. As we see on 4-hour time frame, first of all, DXY has tapped into this weekly fair value gap, but EURUSD has not yet tapped. So this could be a divergence, but I don't think it is, and price will go for that EURUSD weekly fair value gap. So as on 4-hour time frame, we tapped in this fair value gap on Thursday, and on Friday we formed this fair value gap and it got up into that, and today on Monday the price started moving towards the downside after reacting from this 4-hour fair value gap. On 15-minute, price started moving towards the downside in the Asian range. We had this order block, price came back into that, and we saw some good rejection. This was a trade. If this was a trade in EURUSD, I would have taken that, but it was not as clear as DXY. So, and again, in New York session, which starts at 7 a.m. New York Standard Time. So price formed this order block and it got tapped and price went down again. So this was good, but did not do this in EURUSD. It was not as clear as that, so I would have ignored it. That was it for today. Thank you for watching.